Ever wonder why certain ads pop up when you're watching a video on YouTube? Is it sheer coincidence? Or is there a method to the madness? Well, it's all about targeting, a key component in YouTube advertising, and that's what we're delving into today. Let's begin by understanding what targeting is in the context of YouTube ads. Targeting is essentially a way for advertisers to reach a specific audience based on various factors like their age, location, and interests. It's all about delivering the right ad to the right person at the right time. Let's break down the steps to audience targeting on YouTube. Firstly, you need to define your audience. This involves understanding who your ideal viewer is. Think about their age, gender, geographical location, language, and interests. This will form the basis of your targeting. The next step is to use these audience definitions to set your targeting preferences in your YouTube Ads account. Here, you can specify the demographics and interests of the audience you want to reach. YouTube uses data from user profiles and activity to match your ads to the right viewers. Next, you need to optimize your ad content to appeal to your target audience. This involves tailoring your ad's message, visuals, and call to action to resonate with your defined audience. Lastly, it's important to continually monitor the performance of your ads. This will help you understand if your targeting is effective and if there are areas that need tweaking. In summary, targeting in YouTube ads is all about defining your audience, setting your targeting preferences, optimizing your ad content, and monitoring your ad performance. Remember, the key to effective targeting is understanding your audience. The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your ads to resonate with them. And the more relevant your ads are, the higher the chances of them clicking on them and ultimately converting. So the next time you see an ad on YouTube that seems perfectly tailored to you, remember, it's not sheer coincidence. It's the result of effective targeting. And now you too can leverage this powerful tool to reach your ideal audience on YouTube. That's all for today's deep dive into targeting for YouTube ads. Stay tuned for more insights into data-driven marketing for YouTube. Class dismissed?